Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 5th looking around environmental studies. In that chapter number 11 Sunita in a space. In the previous video we have completed up to main 5. Today we'll see main 6. Answer the following question. See the question number 1. Have you ever seen the moon at 12 in the afternoon? Why can't we see the moon or stars easily during the day? Answer is no. I have never seen the moon at 12 in the afternoon. The sun gives a lot of heat and light to the earth. Since the brightness of the stars and the moon is very dull as compared to that of the sun, they are not seen during day. This is why we cannot see the moon or stars easily during the day. Now see the question number 2. What is the relation between the sun, the earth and the moon? Answer is point 1. The sun is a star. The earth is a planet of the solar system. Point 2. The earth is a planet of the solar system. The earth revolves around the sun. Point 3. The moon is the satellite of the earth. It revolves around the earth. Point 4. The earth is one of the planets of the sun and the moon is the only satellite of the earth. Point number 5. The sun is the largest, the earth is smaller than the sun and the moon is the smaller than the earth. Thus all three of them are celestial bodies. Question number 3. Which festivals are associated with the moon? Name 8 festivals. Festivals of Diwali, Bhai Dooj, Dev Diwali, Mahashivratri, Holi, Ram Navami, Hanuman Jayanti, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, etc. are related to the moon. Eid is also a festival that is related to the moon. Now see the question number 4. Explain the phases of the moon. See the answer. Point 1. The moon does not have its own light. The moon looks bright due to sunlight that falls on it. Point 2. The moon is not brightened in the same way every day. The part of the moon which is bright either increases or decreases with each passing day. Due to this, the shape and size of the bright part of the moon changes. These changes are known as the phases of the moon. Point 3. The size of the moon increases gradually during the fortnight from new moon day to full moon day, Poonam. This is known as the waxing or the bright phase of the moon. The moon looks completely round on full moon day. Point 4. The size of the moon decreases gradually during the fortnight after full moon day, Poonam, to no moon day means Amavas. This is known as the waning or the dark phase of the moon. There is no moon in the sky or Amavas. No moon day. Now see the question number 5. Which difficulties do astronauts traveling to space in a spaceship have to face? Explain briefly. Point 1. Astronauts experiences the state of the weightlessness. Thus, an astronaut float about here and there in space just like a gas-filled balloon. See the next page. Point 2. Food kept on the table as well as plates float about in space. So, astronauts have to chase the food somehow and catch it to eat it. Point 3. They face lots of difficulties in drinking water and eating food. Water filled in a glass floats about as blobs once the glass is removed from under it. Point 4. To sit on a chair or any such place, one has to tie oneself to the chair or a seat. Thus, astronauts have to do even simple things differently when they are in a space. See the main 7. Give 2 points of differences. Difference between are there. Number 1. The difference between the sun and the moon. In the sun, point 1, the sun is a star and the moon is a satellite of the earth. Point of sun, the sun has its own light and point of the moon get its light from another source. It does not have its own light. Now see the second one, the difference between the earth and the moon. Point in a earth. The earth is a planet of the solar system. The moon is a satellite of the earth. Point 2, the earth revolves round the sun, and here the moon revolves round the earth. See the point 8. Answer the following questions as asked. See, here look at this photograph. Photograph is given of the earth. Earth photograph is given, taken from a spaceship, and answer the following question. Number 1, can you see India? No, I cannot see India here. Number 2, can you recognize any other place? Yes, I can recognize the ocean and the sea. Here blue color is there is the ocean. Okay. Now see the third one. Where is the sea? Okay. The blue colored part in the photograph of the earth is the sea. Now see the next page. Number 4. Do you think there is any similarity between the globe and this picture of the earth? In what ways they are different? Answer is, the fact that the earth is round is obvious from the globe as well as these pictures of the earth. This is the similarity. The difference is that it is difficult to recognize various countries and places on the photography, whereas it is very easy to recognize each country and place on the globe due to the boundaries that are drawn on it. Now see the second one. Look at the map of the India and answer the following question. Here you have see the Indian map is given. Okay. And see, there is a different states are also mentioned here. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Ladakh. The bold black colored handwriting is there. This is the state. Now see the question number 1. Can you find the state in which you live? Write its name on the map. Okay. Yes. Here I am living in Gujarat. So you can able to write down on your state. Okay. I live in Gujarat state. I have found and shown it on the map. See, I shown you the Gujarat here. Here it's Gujarat. Okay. So in which place you have lived, that place you have to mention here. Now see the next page. Number 2. Which are the states next to the state you live in? So write down, I live in Gujarat state. State next to Gujarat are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Here you can able to write down according to your state also. Number 3. Have you been to any other state? Name them and mark them on the map. Okay. If you are there from any other state, that you can able to write down here. Yes, I have gone to Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Kashmir and Punjab state through the various trips of our school. See the question number 4. Umang thinks that there are border lines drawn on the ground between the states. What do you think? Answer is, no, there are no boundary lines drawn on the ground between the states. Such lines are shown only on the maps. Okay, ground पे ऐसी line नहीं shown है, but it's shown only on the map. Now see the main 3. Write a short note on artificial satellites. See, answer is, an artificial satellite is a satellite that man has put into space and which revolves round the earth in a specific orbit. Russia was the first country to put an artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, into space in 1957. Many other artificial satellites have been put into space after this. Next point, India put its first artificial satellite, Aryabhata, into space on 19th April 1975 from the Russian space station, Cosmodrome. After this, India has put many other artificial satellites into the space from its own space station. Next point, an artificial satellite is put into space with a lot of objectives. This includes telephone and television, broadcasting, studies related to meteorology and international espionage as the main ones. See the main 9 classifies the following things into celestial bodies and things found on the earth. See the first of all, whatever is given that we have to see: sun, water, moon, oxygen, stars, meteors, sea, wood, planets, petrol, kerosene, and constellations. Celestial bodies: sun, moon, stars, meteors, planets, constellation, and things found on the earth that are water, oxygen, sea, wood, petrol, and kerosene. Now see the next page. See the hot questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each questions and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. See the number 1. What is the fortnight from new moon day to full moon day, Poonam, known as? A. The dark phase, B. The bright phase, C. Darkness, and D. The black fortnight. Answer is option B, the bright phase. Number 2. Which of the following is a satellite? A. The moon, B. The sun, C. A star, and D. A meteor. Answer is the option A, the moon is a satellite. Number 3. In which year did Sunita Williams travel to space? Option A, 2006, B, 2003, C, 2010, and D, 2013. Answer is option A, 2006. Number 4. Which celestial object is known as a shooting star? A satellite, B, a constellation, C, a meteor, and D, the moon. Answer is option C, a meteor. Here your chapter is completed. Now we will see the next chapter from the next semester book. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.